Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see a timetable for a route in the Bus Times London application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just check out a route here. For example, I'm just going to select the first one. And if you want to see the timetables, you can see the timetables down below. You can just press on it. And here you can just see for Friday, for example, you can see the timetable here. You can see also for Monday to Thursday. And you can also check out the Saturday and Sunday timetable as well. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.